today sa inyo guys, I am asking for a favor na mag-act kayo as judge on the scale model that have been created by my students. Actually, this is a junior high school batch lang, siya junior high school. Pinagawa ko kasi sila ng scale model na based on their design. Then, yung mapipili ng viewers, yun ang bibigyan natin ng, sabihin na natin na pangpalit doon sa kanilang gastos. Meron silang matatanggap na reward for their effort and then their design. This is a group activity wherein they will show their, sabihin na natin, pagiging artistic and creative. Now, ang gagawin nyo lang is ilalike nyo lang siya kung nagustuhan nyo yung kanilang presentation or video scale model. Like lang ninyo and then share. Gusto nyo, then kung sino pinakamaraming likes and share, sabihin, yun ang napili na viewers. Para hindi naman siya bias na ako lang pipili. Hindi ako kasali doon, kundi kayo lang. So, ngayon pa lang, pinasasalamatan ko na kayo. This is a series of video sunod-sunod siya na maigsi lang. All you have to do is to like and share lang. Okay? Thank you very much.